Okay, this has now had 7 days in my little airing cupboard. It stopped fermenting after 4 days, I think it was. The turbo yeast that I put in there, it does say 3 to 5 days to actually do it. And like a grey sludge that's left. I think that's because of this carbon crap you put in, which means I've now got to add turbo clear. Part A goes in now, give it 2 hours, and then put in part B. Now I'm using all this stuff here that came with it. However, I'm also going to do another batch, probably not for a few weeks, so I'm out of bottles, and see what it's like just using normal, cheap yeast, basic sugar, and nothing else. And I'll see if the difference is worth the money.